Here I have a bunch of circles laid out in the same manner as this picture. I started with the outer one, I duplicated them and made them go in. So that pretty much means this is the bottommost, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. So because of that, I know this one's on top. I'm going to select this, and then this circle, path, difference. Okay, and then I'll select the next circle, path, difference. Shift click the next circle, path, difference, and then shift click the last one, path, difference. And now you'll see that only these parts will be cut out. But if you look here, very, very thin areas that are actually going to be attached to it. So I would make them overlap just a little bit, so that way you will have a solid base. I'll probably bring this one up just a little. Shift click, path, difference. Shift click, path, difference. Now if you don't know which one is on top, which one is on the bottom, just click on the one that you're going to be subtracting from. So here I'll take this object, lower to bottom, so then I know that it's lower than this one, hit the difference. And then you'll have to do the same for the next one here, path, and then, or sorry, object, lower to bottom, click on that, difference. Again, object, lower to bottom, and then path, difference. The last one, object, lower to bottom, shift click there, and then path, difference. And then you should have everything except these cutouts. That's it.